Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Crochet for Baby. I hope you like and subscribe. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you something totally different. I'm going to show you how to crochet patterns for baby blankets, baby sweater, baby hats. Initially, when I started my channel in Spanish, I would show lots of stitches, and there's a couple of videos that I don't have the English version, so I'm getting a couple of requests for these tutorials. So let's get started. Now, this first stitch pattern that I'm going to show you, it's perfect for baby blankets, and it's very easy, ideal for beginners. Now, the yarn that I'm going to use here for this sample is a medium number 4 yarn, and I'm going to use this 5mm crochet hook. Now, many of you ask about these crochet hooks, where I purchased them. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. Now, I'm going to use the 5mm hook like I said, but you can use any weight yarn with any hook size. The only thing is I recommend that you look at the yarn label that you're going to be using, and there it'll tell you what hook size they recommend. So make sure to look there. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to make our chain. The stitch multiple to this base chain is multiples of 5 plus 2. Now, we're going to make our chain. So to make a chain, you just need to make a slip knot. So make your knot here, insert your hook through there, and we're going to chain 20 plus 2, so 22 chains. So to make a chain, all you do is just wrap the hook around the yarn and pull through that loop. Wrap the hook around the yarn and pull through. This is how you make a chain, like this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I have 22 chains. The stitch multiple, like I said, is multiples of 5 plus 2. Now, to begin into the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, we're going to make a single crochet. Now skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th chain, make 6 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's our first shell. Now skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th chain here, repeat the same thing. Make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's our second shell. Now skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th chain, make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is my third shell. Now your chain is going to be longer if you're making a baby blanket. You're just going to continue like this. Skip 4 chains, and into the 5th, make 6 double crochets. Now at the end, you're going to be left with 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So into this last chain here at the end, make a single crochet. And this is how we finish the first row. We started with a single crochet, then we made 3 shells, and we finished with a single crochet. Now for the second row, chain 3 and turn. Now from here on, rows 2 and 3 are the 2 rows that you're going to repeat. This pattern here consists of a 2-row repeat. So in this second row, all we're going to do is 1 double crochet for each double crochet. So beginning on top of the first double crochet out of these 6, make a double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets. Now, same thing for the next shell, 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, 6 double crochets for the last shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, here at the end, we have a single crochet. So to finish, make a double crochet here at the end. And here is the second row. This row here is super easy. So all you do is just 1 double crochet for each double crochet of the previous row. And that's what it looks like. Now for the third row, chain 3 and turn. Now in this third row, we're going to repeat the row shells. So here, this is what we're going to do. We have our 6 double crochets that we did in row 2, 2, 4, 6. We're going to go in the middle between the third and the fourth double crochet. So here's the third double crochet and here's the fourth double crochet. And as you can see right in the middle, right here, there's these 2 little bars right there. Don't go on top, because if you go on top, then it's not going to be right in the center. So go here along the edge of the double crochets. So right there. So here we're going to insert our hook and make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's our first shell for the third row. Again, repeat the same thing for the second shell. We have the next 6 double crochets between the third and the fourth into these 2 bars right here along the edge. Right there, insert your hook and make 6 double crochets. There, 2, 4, 6. Now here we have the last 6 double crochets for the last shell. 2, 4, 6 between the third and the fourth. Insert your hook right there and make 6 double crochets. Be careful here not to go through this loop here. If you do, it's okay. Just be consistent if you go through it. So right there. Make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to finish, here at the end we have 3 chains. Into the second chain, make a double crochet. And this is how we finish the third row. So like I said, we're going to repeat the second and the third row from here on. So for the fourth row, we're going to do the row of double crochets. So chain 3, turn, and work 1 double crochet for each double crochet across. Okay, I'm here at the end. We have the last 3 chains. Into the second chain, make a double crochet. And here is the 4th row. That's what it looks like. Here is the back side of the stitch, and here is the front of the stitch. Look how beautiful that stitch pattern is. Now you're going to continue and repeat these 2 rows. So for the 5th row, we're going to do the row of shells. So let me show you again. Chain 3 and turn. Here we have the 6 double crochets for this shell. Between the 3rd and the 4th double crochet right here, insert your hook right there and make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, same thing for the next shell. Between the 3rd and the 4th, insert your hook there and make 6 double crochets. And this is all we do. Just repeat these 2 rows. So to finish this row here at the end, you're going to make a double crochet, chain 3, turn, and then repeat this row of double crochets where you just make 1 double crochet for each double crochet across. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a couple more rows here, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I did a couple of more rows here for this stitch. Look how beautiful that is. Now here at the end, make sure that the last row that you do is the row of double crochets. That way this part here at the top is nice and straight. Now comment below and let me know if you'd like me to make you a baby blanket using the stitch pattern. I absolutely love this stitch and it's very easy to make, so please comment below. Okay, so this was today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.